Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta for men. This is the men's box for January. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the men's box for January just arrived. This is by Fashionsta, and this is my third box in a row. I was getting this for my man, and yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's in here this month. They do have the label that kind of covers it, so when I remove it, it does kind of open the box, but let's see what's inside. So when you open it up, there's a card. And then it has the tissue paper with the sticker that says the box by Fashionsta. And it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. May cause. You've scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. And is there pricing this time? No, there's no pricing on this. So again, I will not be able to add it up to find out what the real value is supposed to be for this box. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. So when you open that, you have all this, and that's kind of what it looks like inside the box. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out, I believe I've already gotten a box. I don't know if it was the women's box from Fashionsta or this came in a completely different box, but I already have this exact same bath bomb. And this is a CBD pain reliever bath bomb by Fresh Balms, eucalyptus and peppermint, and it says CBD 35 milligrams. And this guy right here, again, it does not have any pricing, and if I remember correctly, this is priced pretty high for a bath bomb because there is CBD in it. That's supposed to help for pain relieving. So again, that's eucalyptus and peppermint is the scent. So there's item number one. Okay, so number two, it says Jimmy Recharge Facial Hydration. And it has like all this little black stuff all over it that came from the paper that's in the box. But that's what the packaging looks like. And this says holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water and withdrawing moisture out of the environment and into the surface of your skin. Recharge is the most effective moisturizing serum in the world market today. Directions: wash and pat skin dry, apply to entire face and neck and allow to dry. So there's that item right there. Then here's another one that looks just the same. Wait, this is Rebuild. That is Recharge. So I read the correct one. This is the same brand. It says Jimmy Rebuild PM Serum. So this one right here says Rebuild is the perfect thing to apply to your face before you hit the bed. This serum will help nourish your skin. It penetrates deep into stimulate collagen. Production tightens, smooths your skin. Rebuild does exactly that. It rebuilds your core of your skin to make you look younger and brighter all while you sleep. It will get rid of fine lines and reduce wrinkles. Wash face and pat dry. Apply to entire face and neck. Use before bed. So there's the third item. Again, it's not 100% full, but there's the third item. And there's no pricing. I don't know why they don't put pricing, but there's no pricing. And then the next item says charcoal face wash. See, everything in here just looks dirty from this. So everything's covered in like little black stuff. All right, so here is this product right here. This one says Weekly Detox Charcoal Facial Mask. Revitalize, rejuvenate, and refresh your skin with less LES Cream Essence Coconut Detox Mask. Activated coconut charcoal can absorb minerals, toxins, impurities, and other substances from your skin, leaving you with softer, smoother, healthier looking skin. Okay, so this thing, let's see. There's actually a seal on it. Good for you. And oh my goodness, this just looks like directions. With a non-metal spoon, spoon contents out and mix with distilled water till you reach a desired paste and apply to cleanse face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off. Because it is literally just, it is just a powder in there if you can see that. So you need to mix it with distilled water and make your own mask out of it. Okay, so here's another one that says Project Co. Hair Made, and it says medium hold, medium shine, paraben free. This right here says Pomade is your go-to hairstyling product with the capability of providing you with a sustainable hold that will last you all day long for any desired hairstyle. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, you guys, so there's one item left in here, and this is Craft Beer Barber. Beer really does make you better looking. Shower Session Hydrating Hair, Body, Face, and Beard Wash. Cruelty-free and vegan. So there's this big old guy here. It says rinse the bar, groom with craft beer, and no chemical hangover. And this guy right here says Shower Session, brimming with B vitamins and protein for strength and shine. The Shower Session wash is beer brewed and cruelty-free. The fresh hopped scent has notes of bamboo, lemon, ginger, lily, and wood. No beer smell. Head to toe cleansing for body, face, and beard. Vegan, no animal testing, pH. And there's no safety seal on here. It just comes right out if you were to use it. And I don't really smell anything. So that is everything that came in this month's men's box, you guys. We have a hair, face, beard, body, skin, whatever you want to call it, wash. You have a hair product. You have a charcoal face mask. You have these two products right here and the CBD bath bomb. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this month's box. Now, they did launch this box for $25 a month, but they also put on their Instagram that they were going to be raising it to $35. I don't know if they've raised it to $35 or not, but if you were already subscribed at the $25, you are locked into that price. I just don't know. Like, I'm a little confused on this box because you have the men's box and you have the women's box. And I understand one is women and one is men. It's a lot probably harder to find products for men. I'm not sure. That's just what I'm assuming. But I don't really see the price justification because it seems like the women's box, you have a lot of makeup and a lot of cool things. So it's kind of justified that they're wanting to raise the price on that one as well. But the men's box being the higher rate of $35, they don't even put in the pricing on their card, which I don't think is right because they do in the women's box. I just feel, this is my own opinion, I feel that they should be the same price point if they have the same value. The women's box was $19.99 and now they're going to change it to $24.99. This was $25 and they're supposedly changing it to $35. So it's $10 more than the women's box. They don't even put the pricing. They're repeating like the same type of products every month. And my man honestly does not use these type of products. So for this box, the only thing he's going to use would be this because I'll put it in the shower so he can use it as like a body wash. But as far as these serums and the mask go, that's just not his forte. He does not like using products like these. That's just his own personal opinion. So basically this is the third box. Every box has pretty much been the same with the same amount of like serums and face like masks or charcoal masks, that kind of thing. So it's just stuff that he's not going to use. So he told me just to cancel it because it's not worth spending the money on every month if he's not going to use any of the products. So I'm going to go ahead and honor his wishes and I'm going to cancel this. So this will be the last box. This is my third men's box and this will be my last box. If this box, if they would have put in like maybe like little things of aftershave or cologne or like a men's wallet or cufflinks or something like that to get something other than skincare, he might actually like this box a little bit more. If they put in like a pair of socks or dress socks or, you know, something other than just skincare, 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 skincare. So I am going to go ahead and cancel this. This will not be on my channel. I will keep the women's box on for a little bit longer. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one just yet, but this one I'm definitely going to cancel. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, do you think this is a good box? Would your man use all of these facial things? Because mine doesn't want to. So go ahead and comment down below with your thoughts. Your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Like, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.